the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making garlic noodles. The ingredients that we're going to need today are angel hair pasta, parmesan cheese, garlic cloves, scallions, butter, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and also white pepper. I have all my ingredients measured out. You want 8 ounces of the angel hair pasta, 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, 6 garlic cloves minced. Your scallion, you want to separate it. You want to cut the white of the onion and separate that, and also the green part, you're going to separate it. 5 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I'm using the low sodium, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. In a pot of boiling water, you can add a little bit of salt, and then we're going to add in our angel hair pasta. Now we're going to allow that to cook for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove your pasta from the water, and you want to rinse it with cold water, then set it to the side. Okay guys, in a frying pan over medium heat, we're going to add our butter, and we're just going to go ahead and melt that. Once your butter is melted, we're going to add in our minced garlic and also the white part of our scallions. And we're just going to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in our oyster sauce, soy sauce, and also our sesame oil and our white pepper. I'm going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our angel hair. And all you want to do is coat it with our sauce. Okay guys, once your noodles are coated in the sauce, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle our Parmesan cheese on, and also the remaining scallions. And all you're going to do is mix until well combined. Okay guys, so this is how you make delicious garlic noodles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.